Hello, fellow explorers and night owls. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just dipping your toes into the world of travel, I'm thrilled to have you join us tonight. There's something truly magical about a city after dark. The way the lights flicker, the energy shifts, and the streets come alive with possibility. Tonight, we're setting out to discover the hidden gems and vibrant pulse of Portland, Oregon, a city that transforms as the sun sets. Welcome to an adventure under the shimmering lights of Portland, Oregon. From the glowing skyline to the bustling avenues, every corner of this city tells a story after dark. The city's unique blend of creativity, culture, and community truly shines at night, offering experiences you simply can't find during the day. I'm Samantha, your guide from Travel Partner, and I'm eager to lead you through the city's vibrant and alternative nightlife. As someone who's explored every nook and cranny of Portland after hours, I can promise you there's always something unexpected waiting around the next corner, be it a cozy jazz bar, a pop-up food cart, or a spontaneous street performance. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Portland's night culture offers something truly unique. Here, you'll find a welcoming community that celebrates individuality and creativity. The city's neighborhoods each have their own flavor, from the quirky bars of Alberta Street to the indie music venues downtown. So, buckle up and get ready for an unforgettable experience as we dive into what makes this city tick after dark. We'll meet locals, sample late-night bites, and uncover the stories that make Portland's nightlife scene so legendary. Every moment promises a new discovery, and I can't wait to share it all with you. Grab your favorite evening attire and a sense of curiosity as we explore Portland's bustling nightlife. Whether you're here to dance, savor craft cocktails, or simply soak in the atmosphere, there's a place for you in this city's after-dark tapestry. So, let's dive into the heart of this unique culture together. The night is young, the city is alive, and our adventure is just beginning. Welcome to Portland. Let's make tonight unforgettable. Portland is a city that beats to its own rhythm, especially when the sun goes down and the city lights flicker on. As dusk settles over the Willamette River, the city transforms into a vibrant playground for night owls, artists, and music lovers alike. Whether you're a local or just passing through, Portland's after-dark energy is impossible to ignore. Its nightlife is no exception to the city's reputation for individuality and creativity. The streets come alive with people seeking out new experiences, from hidden speakeasies to bustling dance floors. There's a sense of anticipation in the air, as if anything could happen on any given night. Known for its eclectic mix of culture, art, and music, Portland's night scene is as diverse as it is exciting. From legendary live music venues that host both up-and-coming bands and established acts, to cozy underground bars where locals gather to unwind, there's something for every taste and mood. The city's nightlife is a tapestry woven from countless threads, each one unique, each one adding to the overall experience. Creativity thrives here, and every night tells a different story. You might stumble upon an impromptu poetry reading, a pop-up art show, or a group of street performers captivating a crowd on a corner. The city's creative spirit is infectious, drawing people together in unexpected ways. You might find a punk rock show pulsing with raw energy in a tiny club where the crowd is as much a part of the performance as the band itself. Next door, a jazz performance might be filling the air with smooth melodies, offering a completely different vibe for those seeking a more laid-back evening. Or perhaps you'll wander into a DIY art exhibit, where local artists showcase their latest creations and invite you to be part of the conversation. These spaces blur the line between audience and artist, making everyone feel like they belong. Just steps away, a bustling food cart pod offers a world of flavors, with late-night bites ranging from gourmet grilled cheese to authentic Thai noodles. Here, strangers become friends over shared tables and midnight snacks, adding to the city's sense of community. Portland's commitment to originality and authenticity sets it apart. No cookie-cutter experiences here. Each venue, each event, and each gathering is infused with the city's signature quirkiness and charm. Whether you're into vintage arcade bars, experimental theater, or themed dance parties, you'll find a place that feels like it was made just for you. The city's night scene is a reflection of its vibrant, welcoming community, always up for a good time. In Portland, the night is alive with possibility, and every adventure is just waiting to be discovered. As the sun sets and the city lights flicker on, Portland's nightlife awakens, transforming the city into a vibrant playground for locals and visitors alike. The streets pulse with energy, neon signs casting a colorful glow over bustling sidewalks filled with anticipation and excitement. Portland's nightlife is a treasure trove of diverse venues, each one offering a distinct experience and inviting you to discover something new. From cozy neighborhood pubs where laughter spills out onto the street, to elegant cocktail lounges where expert mixologists craft inventive drinks, and lively nightclubs where the music never stops, every spot has its own unique charm and personality. Whether you're a music lover searching for the next great band, an art enthusiast eager to explore creative spaces, or a foodie on the hunt for bold flavors, Portland has something for everyone. The city's inclusive spirit means you'll find people from all walks of life coming together to celebrate, connect, and make memories. Live music is truly the heartbeat of the city. On any given night, you can catch a local band rocking out in an intimate venue, or discover a touring act electrifying a packed house. The city's music scene is as eclectic as its residents, with venues offering everything from rock and indie to soulful jazz and dimly lit clubs, and high-energy electronica that keeps the dance floors moving until the early hours. For those seeking something off the beaten path, quirky bars and underground art spaces add another layer to the city's nightlife. These creative havens celebrate individuality, challenge the norm, and invite you to experience Portland's artistic soul up close. And when hunger strikes, no night out is complete without a stop at one of Portland's famous late-night food carts. Here, you'll find an incredible array of global flavors, from spicy Thai noodles to savory Mexican tacos, all served under the twinkle of city lights. With every craving satisfied and every sense awakened, Portland's nightlife promises an unforgettable adventure, one that lingers long after the night is over, leaving you eager to return and discover even more. Portland's live music scene is a vibrant tapestry of sounds and styles. Historic jazz clubs like Jimmy Mac's offer cozy settings and world-class acts where music takes center stage. The sense of community and passion in these clubs is palpable. For a more eclectic vibe, indie and rock venues like the Crystal Ballroom and Doug Fir Lounge showcase everything from local bands to international artists. In Portland, live music is more than entertainment. It's a way of life. This dedication to authenticity makes Portland a beacon for music lovers everywhere. Beyond music, Portland's nightlife boasts quirky bars and underground art spaces for the adventurous. These venues blend innovation with tradition, creating spaces as unique as the city itself. From hidden speakeasies to bars that double as art galleries, each spot reflects Portland's artistic soul. Underground art spaces host cutting-edge installations and live performances, driven by experimentation and inclusivity. These venues invite you to step off the beaten path and immerse yourself in experiences that challenge the ordinary. Whether local or visitor, you'll find something that captivates your imagination. No exploration of Portland's nightlife is complete without indulging in its famous late-night food carts. These culinary havens offer a diverse range of flavors, catering to every palate. As night falls, food carts become lively hubs, drawing crowds with tantalizing aromas and unique dishes. The casual, open-air setting creates a sense of community and adventure. From gourmet burgers to vegan delights, there's something for everyone. Portland's food carts are a delicious testament to the city's creativity and diversity. While Portland's nightlife is full of excitement, it's important to enjoy it responsibly. The city values safety and inclusivity, so treat fellow patrons with kindness and respect. Plan your night with transportation in mind. Public transit and ride shares make it easy to get around safely. Being mindful of your surroundings and knowing your limits ensures a positive experience for all. Responsible enjoyment enhances the night for everyone and supports Portland's welcoming culture. Make the most of your adventure by exploring with care and consideration. Portland's nightlife is a kaleidoscope of experiences for every taste and interest. The city comes alive after dark, buzzing with energy and excitement. From live music and jazz clubs to quirky bars and late-night food carts, every venue offers a unique glimpse into Portland's creative spirit. The sense of community and connection is what makes Portland stand out for night owls. It's a place to be yourself, discover new experiences, and join a lively, diverse community. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures and insights into the world's most exciting destinations. In conclusion, Portland's nightlife is a celebration of creativity, diversity, and community. Whether you're enjoying jazz, indulging in late-night eats, or sipping a craft cocktail, Portland promises a night to remember. The city welcomes everyone to explore, discover, and connect. Its vibrant energy and inclusive spirit make it a must-visit for anyone seeking something unique. Subscribe to our channel to join us on more journeys through the world's most fascinating places. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring.